10 things you must know before you go to Egypt. Egypt, a land of ancient wonders, rich culture, and breathtaking landscapes, has been capturing the imagination of travelers for centuries. But before you pack your bags and set off on an adventure to this magical destination, there are some essential things you need to know. In this video, we'll explore 10 must-know facts that will help you make the most of your trip to Egypt. So buckle up and get ready for an informative journey. Number 1. Visa requirements. Visa requirements for Egypt vary depending on your nationality, so it's crucial to check the latest information well in advance of your trip. Citizens of over 40 countries, including the US, Canada, Australia, and EU nations, can obtain a visa upon arrival at approved ports of entry, such as airports and land borders. This process typically involves filling out a simple form and paying a fee, which ranges from $15 to $60, depending on the type of visa requested. However, citizens of certain countries, such as China and India, may need to apply for a visa in advance through the nearest Egyptian embassy or consulate. The application process varies by country, but generally includes submitting an online application, providing supporting documents, and paying a non-refundable processing fee. Number 2. Currency and money exchange. When it comes to managing your finances in Egypt, understanding the local currency and how to exchange money safely is vital. The official currency of Egypt is the Egyptian pound, LE, divided into 100 piastres or 1,000 fils. Coins come in denominations of 1, 5, 10, 20, and 50 piastres, along with £1 coin, while banknotes range from 1 to 200 pounds. Exchanging foreign currencies in Egypt is relatively straightforward, with various options available. Official exchange booths, called forex, can be found at airports, border crossings, major hotels, and banks. They offer competitive rates and accept most major currencies, including US dollars, euros, British pounds, and Japanese yen. Credit cards are widely accepted in larger cities and tourist areas, but having some local currency on hand is always wise, especially when venturing outside urban centers. Number 3. Enchanted by Egypt's warm hospitality. Egyptians possess a deep reverence for guests, stemming from millennia-old traditions centered on generosity, courtesy, and kindness. Upon arriving in Egypt, brace yourself for an overwhelming wave of warmth radiating from locals eager to share their stories, cuisine, and culture. One example of Egyptian hospitality unfolds within homes, where invitations to break bread signal profound trust and camaraderie. During such gatherings, savor delectable dishes like full medames, koshari, and malakia, accompanied by heartfelt conversations punctuated by infectious laughter. Engaging in home-cooked meals transcends mere sustenance. Moreover, spontaneous acts of benevolence abound throughout the nation. Expect strangers to assist with directions, luggage, or simply strike up stimulating discussions, fueled by insatiable curiosity and innate cordiality. Lastly, heed age-old advice echoing throughout Arab societies. Always accept a cup of tea. Accepting refreshments offered extends recognition of thoughtfulness. Embrace Egypt's gracious welcome mat wholeheartedly, allowing it to infuse your journey with an added layer of delight and wonderment. Number 4. Tipping etiquette. Tipping, or bakshish, plays a significant role in Egyptian society and serves as a means of supplementing income for workers who rely heavily on gratuities to support themselves and their families. Understanding appropriate tipping etiquette helps foster positive relationships with locals and ensures quality service throughout your trip. In restaurants and cafes, leaving a tip of 5 to 10% is customary, depending on the level of service received. Hotel porters, housekeeping staff, and receptionists expect small tokens of appreciation for their efforts. Aim for around 10 to 20 LE per bag carried, and consider leaving a modest sum of money in an envelope marked housekeeping when checking out. Tour guides and drivers appreciate tips too. Generally, allocate approximately 10% of the overall tour cost for each guide and driver involved in your excursion. Number 5. Health and safety concerns. Like any other travel destination, staying healthy and safe while in Egypt is paramount. Drinking bottled water is highly recommended to avoid stomach issues, and avoiding raw fruits and vegetables washed in tap water can prevent foodborne illnesses. When it comes to safety, always stay vigilant, particularly in crowded areas like markets and transportation hubs. Avoid traveling alone after dark. Number 6. Communication and internet access. Staying connected during your travels is easier than ever thanks to widespread internet access and affordable mobile data plans. Most hotels offer free Wi-Fi, and prepaid SIM cards can be purchased from authorized dealers in airports and city centers. If you plan on using your phone extensively, consider purchasing a local SIM card to save on roaming charges. Just remember to register it with local authorities if required. Number 7. Getting around Cairo and beyond. Navigating Egypt's bustling streets and chaotic traffic can be intimidating, but fear not. Several transport options cater to both short and long-distance travel. Within cities, taxis, Uber, and Careem are popular choices, while intercity buses and trains provide comfortable and affordable transportation between destinations. For those seeking more independence, car rental agencies are available, although driving in Egypt requires nerves of steel. Number 8. Bargaining like an Egyptian. Bargaining in Egypt is a cherished cultural tradition, enriching shopping experiences with lively negotiations. To navigate these exchanges adeptly, 1. Start by building rapport with vendors through friendly conversation and genuine interest in their products. 2. When negotiating prices, propose figures lower than your actual budget to begin the bargaining process. 3. Employ tactics like comparing prices and highlighting imperfections to justify lower costs, while maintaining a light-hearted demeanor. 4. Remember, fair and respectful negotiation fosters mutual appreciation and can lead to lasting connections. 5. Embrace the adventure of Egyptian commerce with patience, humor, and an open mind, knowing that it's not just about the deals, but also the relationships formed along the way. Number 9. Respectful photography. Capturing memories through photography is one of the joys of travel, but it's essential to be mindful of cultural sensitivities when taking pictures in Egypt. Always ask permission before photographing people, especially women and children. Some historical sites may require permits for professional cameras or videography equipment. Number 10. Off the beaten track destinations. Venturing beyond Egypt's famous landmarks leads to unexpected discoveries, enriching experiences, and opportunities to engage with locals on a deeper level. One such gem is Alexandria, a coastal city steeped in history and known for its stunning libraries, lighthouses, and European architecture. Wander through charming neighborhoods, indulge in seafood delicacies, and marvel at the mesmerizing sunsets over the Mediterranean Sea. We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please hit the like button below and make sure you subscribe to see our new future videos. Also, please let us know in the comment section what is your favorite place that everyone should visit. Be blessed and thanks for watching.